Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can enable your microphone on Roblox. So to do that, you are going to go to the More section here. Then go to the, wait, where is it? Okay, go to Settings, I meant. Then go to Account Info first. Then you're going to verify your age. You'll have to scan the code, but I've already verified my age. Go back and go to privacy and enable use microphone to chat with voice. You'll need to be, I guess, around 13 up to be able to do this. Let's test it on dance karaoke. Let's see, where is it? Well, I should probably just search it up. Oh, it's right here. Sorry. And then go to settings, scroll down and make sure the input device is the correct one. I'm just going to select this one. Then here, you're just going to unmute yourself here, and then you'll be able to talk and people will be able to hear your audio, and you're also able to hear people singing, talking, or whatever. Like this. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.